At sea level, the value of g is minimum at, we know that the value of acceleration due to gravity may change with respect to the latitude. So we know the equation, that's g at an angle theta is equal to g naught minus r omega square into cos square theta. Now if you are considering the equatorial position, so over here this theta is measured from the equatorial line. So let's say this is the equatorial line and this is the axis about which earth is rotating. So if we are just considering a point over here which is making an angle theta with respect to the equatorial line. Now when we are at equatorial line, the value of theta will be equal to 0, and at pole the value of theta is equal to 90 degree. So we can say that the theta will have its minimum value at equator. So the value of g theta will have its minimum value at equator, because this is g naught minus r omega square into cos 0, which we can take it as nothing but 1. So g naught minus r omega square is a minimum value of g, and that is happening when the object is at equator.